Presenting Pigeon by Stuffcraft Brewster Coffee Maker. The coffee maker is made with advanced brewing technology and has a mesh filter. The high-temperature glass carafe comes with a water level indicator and an illuminated on and off switch, while the rubber legs provide a steady grip on the surface. This 600-watt black coffee maker is ergonomically designed with an anti-drip mechanism and is dishwasher safe. It comes in a size of 14.5 by 19 by 24.5 centimeters and weighs 1 kilograms. The box contains the coffee maker, warranty card, PP cover and a glass coffee bowl. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.